What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a prank video. So, what am I gonna do for the prank? I'm gonna prank people by pretending to put my headset in a microwave. Yep, you heard me. Pretending to put my headset in a microwave. So, I'm not actually gonna do it because my headset would probably break. So, I have a speaker right here. I have a speaker. Work. There. And I have my mobile device connected to the speaker. So when I can like play microwave sound, and then it'll go on the speaker, and then I'll put it close to my headset, and then I'll do this. So yeah. I'm gonna like spin my head like this. Kind of like that. So let's get started. So first we're probably gonna start off with city lobbies. So I'll stop talking now about the video. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave? I'm just doing it to get my anger out because I'm mad right now. Yeah, I seem so mad. Okay, you buddy. What a success. I don't know why they're not responding to that beautiful question. Who thinks I should put my headset in a microwave? Who thinks I should put my headset in a microwave? Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Me.
Wait, you guys froze. Come to me if you want me to put my headset in a microwave.
You were just lagging like hell. Do it.
No, everyone was. Yo, do you want me to put my headset in a microwave? Okay, I'm putting my headset in a microwave. Okay.
Where's your glasses than you?
And my head's in the microwave. I don't know why I'm repeating that sentence. Okay.
Hey, do you like the glasses that I found?
Okay, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
I don't have enough of them. But
Okay.
Guys, do you know where I found these? On the thing?
You guys.
I was playing piano. What? I don't have a
Where's the piano at?
Let me see. No piano. Sorry about that. I just
You put his headset in the microwave.
I know. He got that drip though too. He's gonna lose all that drip because his headset would actually would actually even blow. Like, yeah, it might be taking a wee while.
Learn.
Yeah, what were you saying?
Hey, you orange.
Hey guys.
What's your color code?
Oh my god.
Ooh, my headset's toasty. Oh, my headset's hot. Oh my gosh.
What's your name?
Oh, my headset.
Let me see your name.
Did anyone even watch my headset?
You follow me. You guys, follow me.
Okay, what was it like? What happened?
It was just like this. Wait, let me show you. It was like this.
No, she doesn't know I'm eating her food.
Over here.
Yeah, do you want me to?
Give me your food.
How silent my microwave is? No.
Thank you. Bye.
How silent? Wait.
No, I don't wait.
Papa,
I don't wait.
Papa, wait.
Go up here.
What?
They don't love you like a
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, that's one reaction. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Me. Guys.
You want me to put my headset in a microwave? Me, I did. So you guys want me to put my headset in a microwave? Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave? No one?
Putting his headset. No.
No one? You?
Guys, look.
Okay, anyways. Who wants me to put my headset in the microwave? Do you want me to put my headset in the microwave?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Wait, no, you're gonna die. Don't do that.
I'm doing it.
I want one of these roses. Not gonna lie. Guys, look, follow me.
If no,
Follow me, guys. I'm gonna go out the city map.
I'm not gonna do it, bro.
Yes, I blew out the city map. Sir, I think you're
City is way too chill. But one more time. Who wants me to put my headset in the microwave? Who wants me to put my headset in the microwave?
It should say
Me.
Okay, I'm putting my headset in the microwave. I'm putting my headset in the microwave. I'm putting my headset in the microwave.
He's actually doing it. Oh my god. Do you want to play mini? Yes, I can actually make this one. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. Hey, stop. No. Stop. I think he means it. I think it's headset by exploit. I think it's headset by exploit. Rex, you stop it. Hey, you stop it. You stop it. I want to pull the rules.
Ray, I'm gonna get you. Wait, are you making me?
The board is actually microwave. We're microwave.
My headset's toasty.
What? Did he just take a bite out of your headset?
Oh, my headset's toasty. It's crunchy too.
Do you want to play mini? I want you to eat your headset. I want you to cut your
No.
headset.
No. 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 What have I started? No.
Do you want to play mini games? It's that. Press the trigger. What's your name? What's your name, Papa? How do you do that?
Do you want to play mini games?
I can't do that. I can't read that. You don't have the mini games hat.
Well, too bad. Okay, that was actually a good reaction. Though. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
They're all
To your
cute.
left, to your left.
Who wants me to
To your
put my
left.
headset in a microwave?
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
You do? You want me to put my headset in a microwave?
Yeah.
Yo, look. Just
Okay.
Look. Yo, what's up?
I'm putting my headset in a microwave.
Right now, I'm trying to do the same glitch, but I can't get out.
Okay.
I've been doing it twice. I did it twice, but
Okay.
I can't get out.
Are you ready?
Green, you can just jump through this wall and you'll
Are you ready?
automatically be glitched through. Look, I'm a ghost though. Look.
Your headset's gonna explode.
That's so cool. What the hell?
And you know what's crazy? Look at this. Come see.
Oh, do this. Oh! Oh! What's going on in here? No! Don't explode! No! He put his headset into a microwave.
Oh, he's gonna get disconnected then. Bye-bye.
I think he's cooked.
Hey, do you wanna know
Oh. Third, don't explode. Don't do it. No. No! Run!
Oh.
Guys, I have a finger banner.
Oh, my
I have a
headset's
finger banner.
toasty.
No, you don't.
Hey, do you know a glitch? Do you know there's a glitch where you can actually float?
Oh, my headset's toasty. Oh. Oh.
Oh my.
Oh. I
Did you
regret
just
putting
put
my
your
headset in the microwave. Yes.
I don't think you should do that. I think there's metal in
I
your
regret.
headset.
I regret that.
Dude, those VR things are like $500.
Oh yeah, he has mods. He has platforms. Show me the finger banner now. Show me the finger banner.
Finally, the good reactions are coming in. I like City. Yo, who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Bro,
What the heck? I'm getting some.
Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Me?
You?
Yeah.
You want me to put my headset in a microwave?
Yeah.
No,
Okay,
don't do that. Your headset will explode.
I'm putting my headset in a microwave.
House would explode.
Don't put your headset in the microwave. It'll explode.
Nice.
It'll explode.
That's why.
Nice. Why is
If
there...
you put it in your microwave, your headset will explode.
Let me see. Let me test that out real quick.
Wait, don't do it. Don't. You will no longer use your headset.
Don't do it, bro. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Do it. Yeah, do it.
Not funny. They're like 500 pounds.
Do it.
What are you?
Does anybody want to fight in a war?
I'm not sure you're gonna get another meta quest until you're like.
Well, does anybody want to fight in a war? Well, I got
Why is he
But I'm
turning?
gonna be cooked because I have no weapon.
What the?
Well, except I got this.
Oh, that's toasty. Oh.
I'm joking.
Oh,
What
wow.
the hell? Why
That
would
is
you do that?
toasty.
Well, I got this to explode.
That is toasty. My headset is toasty. Oh, that's toasty.
Or on a different Oculus.
My headset is toasty. Oh my. I regret doing that.
Put their headset in the microwave.
I regret doing that.
See what else there is.
I regret doing that.
Someone put their headset in the microwave.
I did. It was me.
Nah, bro. Why would you do that? Bro, why would you do that?
I kind of got mad earlier, and I kind of kind of wanted to.
What are you talking about? You're talking crazy.
Hell yeah, I am. Yeah. That laugh was no. Stop. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave? Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Yeah, Mom.
You said what? Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Yeah, Mom.
Okay. This lobby. I hate this lobby.
Oh my God, I was just. And then V.
Okay. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
I want to see it put them.
Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Not me.
No.
Me.
What if I were to put it in the microwave?
You're cooked.
Okay, I'm putting my headset in a microwave. I don't care. I'm putting it in a
Bro's
microwave.
gonna use a soundboard of a microwave.
No, I'm not.
No. He's running
Blue.
away, guys. He's running away. I need him.
Whoa.
Can't move, bro.
What do you mean I need him? What? Okay, one more troll. I'll do one in 4 seconds after this. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
No, like, no. Go as fast as you can.
Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Go as fast as you can into here and it should show
Do you guys want me to put my headset in a microwave?
You see a big block?
I don't care. You gotta do it the other hand.
I see block.
Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Look like a big
Show me,
blue
like,
one.
No, I did not see a blue one.
Do you guys want me to put my headset in a microwave?
That means it doesn't work.
Wait a minute, is it you? You.
What?
I was in this lobby earlier. I put my headset in a microwave.
Yes, you did.
Put your headset in the microwave.
You want me to put my headset in a microwave again?
Run back.
Yeah. Should lag a lot.
Okay,
Microwave. And it's there.
I'm putting it in a microwave again. Okay.
Did you go too far?
Is it gonna explode?
Is it?
Yeah, watch. I'll show you. Look.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you like this.
Yeah, I saw you floating. So
I'm not really floating. On my screen, there's a big top right there.
on my screen, I see you floating.
Exactly. He's putting his headset in the microwave.
Oh, I think I might got it.
I've gotten it. If it lags a lot, then you definitely got it.
No,
If it
blue
lags.
block.
Yeah, if it lags a lot, you might have gotten it.
Look
It
at
does make you lag. Just go right to the edge of the heart. Like this.
Guys, look.
And try to bring your body out. See that, guys? Do you see it?
No, I'm not.
Does it hurt when you
Because I
put
don't want
that
someone
on?
to think,
Oh.
I'm like hacking.
Let me see. Ow! Ah! Damn!
You can?
Damn!
Does it burn?
Yes, it burns. It burns. I regret putting my headset in the microwave. I regret that.
No!
I already did it. I regret that.
I see it! I see it!
Uh,
Red, I see it!
Step on the
I
gas.
see it!
Step
I'm
on the gas.
floating! I like mac and cheese.
I feel like a casual Force lobby would have more of a reaction. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Go to him. I guess Purple go to him.
You want me to put my headset in a microwave?
Purple.
Guys, I'm gonna put my headset in a microwave.
That is.
I'm putting my headset in a microwave, okay?
Wait, the reason why my head's so shiny is because I don't know about you, Shanka.
No, I'm not gonna put my headset in a microwave.
Bubble.
Oh wait, the reason why my head's so shiny.
I knew that lobby wasn't gonna have a reaction if I did, because that would waste it. Who wants me to put my headset in a microwave?
Guys, Dakota's my name. Huh? Mimic is my.
Wait, before you guys go, do you want me to put my headset in a microwave?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. I'm gonna put my headset in a microwave, okay?
I see.
Oh, nice.
Mimic.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Are you guys ready?
Wait. Yeah.
Oh my!
No way you actually just did that! Oh! Yo, below all his... Oh, wait, I got about to explode. He just literally lost... He lost all his limit... Well, literally lost all his limited cosmetics. No way you actually just did that! Guys, let's just join the code. Just join the
Oh, my headset is toasty. Oh, my headset is toasty. Oh, my headset is toasty. Wow. Oh. Why? They just left. Completely ignored me. Okay. Weird. Really weird. Did I enter the code? I did. Yeah, my headset battery's at 5%. Okay, so anyways, I gotta go because obviously my battery. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and that will be it. Bye.